I grew up in rural Colorado. Growing up, my mom was a school teacher and my father was a college professor. My dad really encouraged me to play chess. It involves a lot of strategy and a lot of forward thinking. The best chess players are moves ahead of their opponent. And that's very, very similar to litigating cases. We have to have a strategy that is going to move us through the case and get us to where we want to be. Oftentimes with the other side not even realizing that that's what we're doing.
So I'm a second-generation lawyer. My mom was a lawyer. She practiced for about 35 years. She did mostly family law. I started practicing doing employment defense, and so I represented big corporations and insurance companies. But at some point, I had a moment in my career where I thought, these aren't the people I want to be helping. At that point, it was an easy decision to transition to helping people rather than helping corporations.
In terms of practice of law, one of the things that really motivates me is taking those situations that aren't fair and trying to just mend that inequity.
I went to go to bed and I went to turn back around, and that's when I noticed orangish bright light coming in through my window. It was color of fire, and it was engulfing into my living room and getting really, really dangerous. There was smoke everywhere. You could barely see. I heard people screaming for my dog, and I quickly realized that he was not outside. He was still in the unit. I knew I couldn't just sit there, so I went searching for him. I found him in my roommate's room, and at that point, the living room completely encased in flame. I literally leaned forward with him to try and protect him as much as I could, and I ran and got out. I knew I needed to at least talk to an attorney, because I had literally lost everything. I had finally called one law firm, and that's when they connected me to Bourassa Law Group. I talked to them and immediately felt like I wasn't alone all of a sudden. I didn't have to worry whatsoever from the moment that I had walked in the door till the moment we were done with the whole situation. I can't thank Bourassa Law Group enough. I don't know where I'd be right now without them doing what they did for me.
Our firm's main goal is to give our clients the best possible result that we can, and to make sure that we clearly communicate to our client what is happening in their case and keep our clients involved and updated all along the way.
There are lots of choices for clients looking for a personal injury attorney, but the Bourassa Law Group is different because we all come from a defense background, and we have over 70 years experience in dealing with insurance companies, dealing with insurance policies, and we're here to listen, we're here to help them, and we're here to be the hero when they need us to be.
We go out and actually do the work. There's lip service, and then there's actually shoveling the gravel and wheelbarrowing the concrete and building up that case and getting it done. And we get things done.